Welcome to Shipping Essentials, another in a series of educational videos presented by Sandy's Business Center. Remember, you can always reach Sandy's Business Center at Sandy's Business Center 1624 at yahoo.com. Bring your shipping questions and we'll provide the answers. One of the questions we often get at Sandy's Business Center is, how much does it cost to ship a package? Sounds like a simple question, doesn't it? But in reality, the cost of a package depends on a lot of things, and we have some questions to ask before we can answer that question. The first is, what size is it? What size is the package that's being shipped? What are the dimensions? A box that measures 6 inches by 6 inches by 6 inches will cost less to ship than a 12-inch by 12-inch by 12-inch box of the same weight. Size matters. For example, to ship a 5-pound box to the same address by ground delivery, if those 5 pounds were in a 6-inch by 6-inch by 6-inch box, the cost would be $13.66. In a 12-inch cubic box, it would cost $16.10. So your guideline is always use the smallest container, which will safely hold your contents with appropriate cushioning without wasted space. You don't want to be paying for extra space that you don't need, or the weight of extra packaging that you don't need. Remember, the numbers that we're using today are for comparison purposes only, to give you an idea of how these things impact the question. It's not a guarantee of price, and they were accurate as of the date that we collected them. Another thing that impacts the cost is the weight of the box. The weight helps determine the price as well. A 2-pound box will cost less to ship than a 10-pound box, even if the boxes measure the same. That cubic 12-inch box shipped by ground delivery, if you're going to the same address in both cases, if it weighs 10 pounds, it's going to cost $16.10. If it weighs 20 pounds, it's going to cost $20.29. The combination of weight and size will govern part of the cost. How far is the package going is another factor. The distance matters because a package going 50 miles will likely cost less than a package of the same size and weight going 650 miles. Less distance to transport it, less fuel, will equate to less cost. Let's take a look at that 12-inch cube box again. Weighing 20 pounds, we're shipping it by ground delivery. For a 128-mile trip, $14.46. For a 615-mile trip, $16.65. And whether the package is going on an interstate or an intrastate delivery can impact the price too. Different governing authorities have jurisdiction. Destination matters. If that package is going to a major metropolitan area with a convenient airport and a major terminal, it may cost less than the same package going the same distance, but to a rural area where a driver will have to make a long drive out to deliver the package, even though the total mileage may end up being the same. So that destination is going to matter as well. How soon must it be there is another question that we'll ask. Faster delivery means a premium price. Express delivery will cost more than ground delivery for the same package. For example, that 6-inch cube package weighing 5 pounds shipped to the same address by ground delivery will cost $13.66, and will usually get there within 3 to 4 business days, sometimes a little more. By express delivery, it can cost between $38.15 and $123.30, depending on the speed that you choose. That is, do you want overnight? Do you want 2-day? If it's overnight, does it have to be there by noon? Or is 4 o'clock in the evening going to be acceptable? Those sorts of choices are going to decide the cost. Planning ahead will save you shipping dollars. If you wait till the last minute and have to ship it by express, it's going to cost you more than if you planned ahead and shipped it by ground. Does that package require any special handling? By that we mean things like home delivery, Saturday delivery to a non-residential address, extra insurance, a signature required. Those are all things that can add to the overall cost. Take a look at this chart of some sample special services, all going the same distance to the same address. The simple ground delivery, $16.65 for this package. Home delivery, which would deliver Tuesday through Saturday to a residential address, is $20.88. If it's a non-residential address and requires Saturday delivery, it's going to be $78.78. Extra insurance, and in this case we figured it with a $500 valuation, added almost $10 to the cost for a total of $26.13. Signature required by a direct recipient, whoever it is that answers the door, $22.20. If it requires an adult signature, now you're talking about $23.37 as the cost rather than the $16.65. Those simple services can add to your cost. Now, just as a thought, you can get things like notification when the package is delivered, but you'll have a tracking number when you ship with us. And with that tracking number, you'll be able to tell where that package is in the delivery process at all times, because it gets scanned as it goes out from our doors to the truck. It gets scanned from the truck to the terminal, from the terminal to the airplane or the cross-country truck taking it. When it's out for delivery from the Home Depot, every step of the way you'll be able to follow it with that tracking number. So maybe you don't need to pay extra for the signature. Maybe tracking it online will be sufficient. Ask the questions when you come to ship your package, and we can calculate the numbers and let you know what that difference will be. There are some things that it's unlawful to ship. You see this list, this is just a few of them. Think of it as anything that could overheat and explode, break and leak, or cause a hazard. Those are the things that are not allowed to be shipped. Well, with that in mind, if you're not sure whether it can be shipped or not, give us a call. So you can see that the cost of shipping a package is not such a simple question after all. And things like whether the destination is out of the country and requires duties or tariffs or extra paperwork are all things that we can help you get the answers to. Remember, you can count on the folks at Sandy's Business Center. We'll help you find the right shipping method for your needs and budget. Bring your package along with the recipient's name, full address, and telephone number, and we'll run the numbers for you. Come in by noon for your package to start its journey the same day. If you come in after 12 noon, you risk that the pickup will already have been made and the package will have to wait till the next day. Shipping is simple at Sandy's Business Center. Give us a call, give us an email, come on in. Visit us at 1624 South Main Street in Poplarville. We're open 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. We'll be happy to help you with your packing, shipping, copying, printing, faxing, scanning, gift-giving greeting card needs at Sandy's Business Center.